Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the Ninja Air Fryer AF101, a compact 4-in-1 kitchen marvel that lets you roast, bake, air fry, broil, reheat, and dehydrate your favorite foods with ease. With a generous 4-quart capacity, this sleek gray appliance is perfect for creating healthy meals, using up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, making it ideal for guilt-free indulgence. Its wide temperature range from 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently dehydrate foods for homemade snacks or quickly cook and crisp your meals with convection heat. The ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate can fit up to 2 pounds of French fries, and all parts are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. With a convenient 2.6-foot cable length, this air fryer is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen, and it even comes with a 20-recipe booklet to inspire your culinary adventures. Don't forget to preheat the unit for 3 minutes to achieve the best results, whether you're frying up some veggies or crafting juicy meats. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.